Hey guys, spring is finally here and I'm gonna show you one of my favorite warm weather drinks, the Aperol Spritz. It is so easy to make. And the recipe is actually also in my book, You and I as Mothers, in the recipe chapter, because I love this drink and it's super easy. Check this out. All you need is 1 part Prosecco, 1 part Aperol, 1 part club soda, and then you put it into a wine glass filled with ice. I love this drink. It makes you feel like you're on vacation when you haven't even left your house. Okay, let's make it. 1 part Prosecco. It's okay if it's a little more than 1 part Prosecco. Aperol. And isn't it beautiful? You just feel like warm weather when you see a color like this, right? It's like so springtime. That's it, guys. It's that easy. This is, oh wait, you know what? Let's add one thing. Orange slice. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, I love it. It makes me feel like I'm in Europe. It's so yummy. Cheers, you guys. Happy spring.